Let's go in there, see what it looks like. So they're doing the soffits in here. Looks pretty good. Ooh, they got this one done. This one always looks good. Hey, these fucking walls are dirty, man. Whenever you clean this up, you need to blow those out. Don't let them do this shit, Leroy. Somebody needs to be blowing out these walls before the foam guy gets here. I mean, I blew them out right now, but you know, I want this to be right even if I'm not here. All right. Love you. Love you, Leroy. Bye. Be a builder, they said. It's real easy, they said. Adult daycare is what I call it. Now, don't get me wrong, we have good subs, but they have been trained improperly by the other builders, if you know what I mean. The level of, and you know, I don't like talking smack about nobody else, but the level at which everybody else builds is so low that when we ask for higher level, it's hard to get it because that's not what they're used to doing. You know, like just throwing their crap everywhere. That's normal for some reason. They wouldn't do that anywhere else. They're supposed to have this clean, ready for you guys to go, but
okay, no worries.
You know, I can't. You know, you can't shoot foam on top of that dirt. You know, and that's not on you guys. I know that. So anyway, I just need to blow it off real quick.
Yeah, no worries.
It takes 5 minutes, but trust me, we're gonna talk about this. Not you, but my guys. Yeah. You'll be out of here tomorrow?
I would think that's a possibility. Just making sure that everything's covered up.
Yeah, no, I get it. Obviously, there's some spots that are not covered, so
yeah,
you can cover them up for me.
We're gonna start with that. I mean, that's pretty much the one thing you can definitely see after we finish.
Yeah. All right, man. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right, so like I said, well, I'm going to show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. Showed up to the job site. These guys are ready to foam. I look at the walls; they're dirty. I go grab a leaf blower. I blow them out. It takes 5 minutes. And guess what? I'm going to have a talk with my superintendent about this, and also with the electricians and everybody else that has done any work on this home that is not cleaning up after themselves. They're doing a really good job here, where it's obvious, but it's you know, the little thing, right? That's the one that gets me and gets everybody else, right? So like I said, it took me 5 minutes. I went and grabbed the leaf blower, blew out the entire walls. You know, I don't want to have any dirt in the walls in the cavity right before we foam, correct? So like I said, it doesn't take that long. So again, we're keeping with the promise of showing you everything. So guess what? There was a issue this morning here. When I got here, we took care of it. That's what it takes. So anyway, having said that, these guys are getting ready to foam the house. We're gonna foam the entire thing. They're gonna foam the shop. This is probably gonna be a 2-day job for them. So we're gonna hang around for a little bit. I'm just verifying that everything is correct. We are double checking the cabinet measurement and just kind of making sure everything's going well. The metal guys are working on the outside, so a lot going on here. So anyway, that's what we're doing here today. We are Texas Barndominiums.